Hi guys, welcome back to Think Tank. In this video I'm going to talk about isometric drawing. Okay, so before we start, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can support my work. Okay, so let's get started. So we're given the front elevation and the plan of an object and want to draw it in isometric. So I'm going to sketch it. Okay, so I'm going to use the front elevation to get a clue. So this is the front. Okay, so I'll just extend the edges, make it look like it's in 3D. Okay, then from the plan I know these are circular, so the same applies here. You have something that is circular. Okay, just like this. Okay, and now I have a clue of what I'm going to draw. I know it doesn't look good, but it's a clue. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to draw my construction line. Okay, you should make sure that your pencils are very sharp. Okay, so the length of this diagram is 160. It's 100 plus 30 plus 30. The circular face is just 30 plus 30, so that is 160. So 160 is here. The width from the plan is 60. The height from the front view is 40. Okay, so the height is 40. Okay, now I draw a isometric box. This is an isometric box. Okay, then measure distance of 18 plus 10. Okay, so I'm going to start with 18 first. 18 is here, measure 10 here. Okay, reconstruct, project them, 30 degrees, satisfy. Okay, then I have to draw circular axis below this line. So I think it's wise if I grab this line so that I can confuse you. So these same circles have a radius of 30. So that means I'm going to draw a square instead of 60. Okay, since they're on both sides, I'm going to do that on both sides. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to divide the square into 4 segments. So first, like 30, to divide this line by 2, like 30, the same, like 30. Okay, then after that I'm going to join the longest diagonal, which is this and this. Okay, I join this one and this one. Okay, join this point and this point. Okay, if you are not familiar with drawing circles and ellipse, you can just check on one of my videos. Join this and this. Okay. And you join this one and this one in order to locate your 4 centers, this one and this one. Okay, so this is your center, this is your center, this is your center, this is your center. Take your canvas. Okay, changing here. Make a canvas here. We draw curve. Should be very careful. Okay, print here, draw a curve. Do the same here, sending here, draw a curve. Be careful. Okay, now using this center, draw another curve. Okay, then after doing that, I'm going to extend my centers. I'm going to project them downwards. Okay, that's the easiest way of drawing. So extend this point and extend this point. Okay, then I do that here. Okay, then the length or the height of my slab is 10. Yes, it's 10. So measure height of 10 from each and every center point. Okay, and after doing that, you take a canvas. So when I draw this ascending here, just go downwards. Strike an arc like this. Okay, and I draw this one, side here, go downwards, strike an arc like this one. Okay, then after doing that, when I draw this one, as here, so just go downwards. You can see you can join this line. Okay, then from this edge to this edge, I have to measure. Okay, before doing that, if I divide this and by 2, 160 divided by 2, this is 80. So this is my center. Okay, then from this line, if I measure 30 on both sides, 30 here, 30 here, okay, like this at the foot of my slab. Okay, then I have to draw 2 circles here, the smaller one and the bigger one. And I'm going to draw the circles in isometric. So the first circle is a radius of 25. Okay, so that means 25. So I have to draw a square that is a radius of a square that is the side of 50. So if I measure 25 on both sides, 25 here, 25 here. Okay, and I want to draw a semicircle, so I'm going to project these lines downwards and upwards. Okay, then let me project my center. Okay, and after that I'm going to measure 25 upwards, 25 downwards in order to construct that square. Cool. So this is my square. So I simply join the longest diagonal, join this point, and this point. Okay, this point and this point. Okay, and after that, check my canvas, sending here. I'm going to draw so again arc. Then this is one of my 4 centers, my 4 center points. Okay, as you can see, I have circle here, and I have to draw a bigger circle that is a radius of 40. So I have to construct a square the size of 80. So 40 here, 40 here, using the same center, 40 downwards, 40 here, 40 upwards, 40 here. Okay. Try not to get confused with 2 main construction lines. Okay, so I'm going to join this diagonal with this diagonal. Okay, then after that I'm going to join this side with this side. Okay, so this is one of my center. Join this line and this line. And this is one of my center. So sending here, open a canvas. Okay, so I'm going to start. So So this is the center. So I draw construction line. As you can see, I'm not going to cross this line since this curve starts from here and here. Okay, do the same, and this is my center. This is my center. Draw, and I don't want it to exceed beyond this line, so it's going to end here. Okay, then after doing that, you can join this line with this curve, join this line, this curve. Okay, and I have a highway, but if I have this circle and I want another circle which looks like this, I'm going just to extend all my center points. So this was my first center points, and from here to here it's 60, so I just extend it here. Okay, and measure a distance of 60 from here to here, measure distance of 60. Okay, we're just using the same concept. We're just drawing circles in isometric, just drawing ellipse. Okay, then I want this one, so this was my center. Extend this, I measure distance of 60 here. Okay, then when I draw this like ascending using the same distance, come here and I draw an arc that look like this. So when I draw this curve ascending here, go to this point and do the same. You want to join this point with this point. Okay, so as you can see, this point is the same center, join this point, and okay, now you can join this. Okay, then this line, same place here. Okay, take your canvas and join this point to this point. Do the same way. Join this point, this point. Okay. Now this are the fours. Project them. Okay, then I have circles on top of this. Okay, then a wall. So these circles, you have radiuses, you have radius, of 20. So 20 divided by 2, that's 10, 10. Okay, so I'm going to construct a square the size of 20 here and here, here and here. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to join the longest diagonal. It's already there. Then I'm going to join this line. Okay, take a canvas using the same concept. I'm going to draw a circle. Yeah. Sending here. I'm going to draw a circle. Sending here. Drawing a circle. So this is my first circle. Then I'm going to draw another circle on the opposite end. Okay, so instead of measuring, I can just extend. Since I've already measured, I can just extend. So my first line, do that. Okay, so now I have to measure 10, 10 from this center, 10 here, 10 here. Okay, so I'm going to join this line, this line, this line, this line. Okay, take your canvas. I'm going to use the same technique. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to finish my circle. Yeah. Okay. Now okay, then drawing the center line. Okay, now I'm on left with the drawing the circle top here. Okay, I'm going to use the same concept, and this circle is much smaller. That is a radius of 4, so it's just going to be very difficult to draw. Okay, so here, this is still my center. Okay, and it's on top of this one. So I'm going to measure, I'm going to draw a square that is size that are 8 millimeters. From here to here it's 8. Okay. Then I do that again. Okay. Sorry. So then I measure 4. And go to a box here, and I'm going to join the longer diagonal. Okay, after doing that, join this point, and then this point. Okay, take your canvas, draw that small circle. Okay, then since it's a circle, we need center lines. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.